Hi, this is Infinix Smart 7 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to these three dots, tap to edit shortcut switcher, and we'll see here this down section with invisible options. To add them to our panel, we should just click on each of these pluses. To remove them from the panel, click on each of these red minuses. To reset the changes, click on the right upper corner to these three dots, and to save the changes, click to go back. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.